now, that hidden line is about this line. So that's the hidden line. Baka di nyo alam. Diba, naglalagay. Hindi naman alam ano yung line na yun. Okay. Now we will draw the side view. To draw the side view, up a 45-degree line. So that's how to draw the pyramid. Lagyan nyo ng construction lines na ito sapagkat tinahanap ko yung mga construction lines. Okay? Now, this is the corner. So you have another one there. That's the line. Alright. There's something here. We'll make it parallel there. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. You will locate that at the top and front view. Come closer if you like. Na camera side. How do we locate that one? We're looking for this. We will use cutting plate method. Alright. If we have a pyramid, and there's a point there, how can I locate that in the top view? It's a plain pyramid like that. How can I locate this one in the top view? Well, I will just cut it. And if this is where it is cut, I can easily locate that. It is somewhere here. Correct? So if I have the side view here, like that, and that's the one. So with the 45-degree line, I can locate that there. That's what we will do. So we'll cut this. You can actually, well, there, you can draw that one parallel there, because the cut is horizontal parallel, so it will be the same triangle, smaller, correct? Now, if you know that that is what should be happening, wala po nga, hirap na maunawaan. So, what is number 1? It is somewhere here. Okay, let's draw it. It is there. Yan. Hindi po pwede dito yan kasi ito po yung triangle niya, no? Ano? So, ano lang yung paggawa natin ng line. So, yan. Number 1 na yan. Okay, I'll go to number 3. 4 and 5. Ako. 3, 4, and 5. Jackpot, oh. Isa lang. Kailangan pa pabuhin. Pakita lang natin para malaman ni Sir. Okay, number 3 is there. Oh, ayan siya. Oh, number 4. Number 4 is there. Huwag kayong mag-ano yung number 4. Walang kanuda-nuda eh. Nasaan yan? May line dyan, oh. Nandiyan yan. Ito yun, oh. Kahit hindi na pag-isipan, ito yun. Ayun, oh. Ito yun. Number 4. Tapat nito eh. Ano ba itong line? Di ba ito yun? Ito yun. So, ang number 2, dito rin, number 2. Hindi na lalabas yan. Kasi dyan yan, oh. So, number 2 and 4, sigurado na, yan. Along that line, because this is the same as that. Hindi po din iiwalay dyan. So, para, no, pataas yan. Ha? Pataas. Yan. Number 2. Dito yung number 2. Okay? So, number 1, 2. Saan ang number 3? Ayan. Number 5. Ayan, number 5. Okay, you will connect. 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. It is the same parallel line along that cut. Kung anong putol dyan sa ano na yan. Ganon din, no? Ganon din, no? Di ba? Parallel. Kuha nyo? Kasi po, nung kinat natin ito yun eh, di ba? You will save it, you will see. Yan po yung cut. Ha? Ito po yun. Di ba? So, dyan yan lumahanap. 3, 4, 5. So, connect. 1, 2, 5. Ay, hindi. Kita yan. Kita. Yan, hindi kita. Ito po yung prism. Ito po yung prism. Ngayon, kumpletuhin nyo yan. Hanapin nyo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 4, andyan na. Ang number 3, andito. Ang number 5, ayan o. Baba mo, yan, number 5. So, hanapin nyo. Nasa 1, ayun. Yan, ano pa hanapin nyo? Wala na. Lugtong nyo na lang, ha? Okay, yung isa naman. So, ang pamagat dito ay intersection